Hi guys, it's Blanka White, and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to use Waso's newest product. This is the Color-Smart Day Moisturizer Oil-Free. So this Waso product is actually from Shiseido's newest skincare line that they recently launched. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about it and also how I like to use it. Each product in the line is dermatologist tested, and it has ingredients that are in their naturalist and purest form, and it also includes no mineral oils, so it allows your skin to be able to actually breathe. So this moisturizer will actually brighten, hydrate, and mattify your skin. And the coolest part, I think, is the tone adapting tint. So it actually comes out white, but it will adapt to your skin color, which is super cool. I like to use this as the last step in my morning routine. So I have already prepped my skin with all my other skincare essentials, and now I'm ready to use it. So I like to get a little bit. So as you can see, it does come out white, and then you will see the magic that will happen as soon as I start putting it on my skin. So as you can see, as soon as I put it on my skin, it is matching my skin color, and I just like to put this on with my fingertips. It's super easy, it's lightweight, also it smells so good. It has a really nice refreshing scent, so it's really nice in the morning. It just blends in so nicely to the skin, and it also has a really nice mattifying finish. So if you have oily skin, or even in the summer if your skin gets really oily, this is so great to use then. There's actually a really cool Japanese ingredient included in this. They're called loquat cells, and that ingredient actually helps suppress sebum breakdown and balance your skin's oil level. So once I've evenly put it all over my skin, that's literally it. It's so quick. If I'm running late in the morning, I will seriously just put this on and I still feel put together to go out. So that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my little demo on the Waso Color Smart Day Moisturizer Oil Free, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.